Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I will tell you how you can change the download path in your Google Chrome. To change the download path in your Google Chrome, let's first open our Google Chrome. Then let's click on the three dots. Now head on to the settings. Under settings, you can see the downloads tab. Let's click on it. Here you can see the location path where it is set to downloads folder. Now for some reason, if you want to change it to other folder, you just need to click on the change button. On the change button, you can select any other folder that you want in any of your drives. For example, I will select the desktop. Now click on the select folder button. There we go. The path has been successfully changed. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well, comment on the video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.